Hello aspirants, welcome to Inkar IAS Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the amazing facts about the Madhya Pradesh in India. This video covers extensively physical characteristics of Madhya Pradesh, natural vegetation, regional festivals, art forms, industry, major rivers, minerals, agriculture, geographical indicator, historical sites, heritage site, national park, biosphere reserves, and a wildlife sanctuary. Madhya Pradesh, that is often referred to as the heart of India. It is a central Indian state that renowned that is for the rich cultural heritage, diverse geography, and also significant economic contributions. Madhya Pradesh is bordered with Uttar Pradesh to northeast, Chhattisgarh to the southeast, Maharashtra to the south, Gujarat to the southwest, and Rajasthan to the northwest. The state terrain includes the Vidya and Satpura mountain range. And is traversed by the major rivers such as Narmada and Tapi and Chambal. The state has a subtropical climate and with a hot, dry summer from April to June and monsoon rains from July to September. Historically, it is spanning over 2000 years, having ruled by the various dynasties like Maurya, Gupta, Marathas. It is recognized and also present day state of November in the year of 1956, November 1st. The capital of the Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal, which is very much famous for the Bhopal tragedy, which is formed in the year of 1956, 1st November. It consists of 51 districts. The major languages in the It is majorly known for the homeland of the Indian poet Kalidasa, one of the largest producers of the soya beans in India. The major cities which is present in the Madhya Pradesh, that is Indore, Jabalpur, Gwalior, Ujjain, Rewa, Panchamari. The physical characteristics, the physiography is characterized by low hills, extensive plateaus and river valleys. As the state of Madhya Pradesh lies over a transitional area between the Gangetic Plain north and the Deccan Plateau south. There is a natural vegetation. It's a subtropical coniferous forest which are mainly present in the Madhya Pradesh region. There is a major rivers which is flows into the Madhya Pradesh. That is the Betwa river, the Chambal river, the Ratlam and Mandsaur. There is a Ganga, Narmada, Tapi river. These are the major rivers which is flows to the Madhya Pradesh. The major regional festival, that is a Kumbh, very much famous. The Kumbh Mela, that is a Ram Leela. Alami Tablighi Ijtima, that is a also famous festival, and Ram Leela, that is a famous festival which is celebrated, and Tejaji, that is also very much famous festival which is celebrated in Madhya Pradesh. The major art forms, that is a Madhya Pradesh, is a painting, that is a Lok Chitrahar, that is a Chitravan, Mandana, Sanji, Tapa, Pitora, and the music, the famous was Rilo, Honing, Leja, Chaitpara, Thankul. The dance or Kama, Javara, Tateli, Lahangi, Hahiri, that is Baredi, Gaurmaria, Drum, Matki, Grida, Pulpati. These are the major dance which is present in the Madhya Pradesh region. The major agricultural products is a cardamom, tea, linseed, rubber, cotton, coffee, sugarcane, wheat, and rice. These are the major agricultural products. The Madhya Pradesh is is primarily agrarian, with agriculture contributing significantly to the state GDP. The major crops, which is rice and wheat, pulses, is very much rich. The state is also rich in minerals like the copper, manganese, molybdenum, and also diamond in India. These are the major important minerals and the industry. There is a pepper milling, cement production, the manufacturing of heavy electrical items, microelectronics and optical fibers, fertilizers, synthetic fibers and chemical, sugar, textiles, cotton, wool, silks and jute, lumber, flow and various seeds and vegetable oils. These are the major industries which are found in the Madhya Pradesh region. So the region is which heavily consists of the industrial part and also the mineral rich country, that is a coal, iron ore, manganese ore, bauxite, limestone, fire clay. These are the major important minerals which are present in this area. And geographical indication, that is a Chanderi fabric, that leather type of Indore, and Bog prints, that is also very much famous, and bell metalware of Datia, and Tikamkar and Maheshwar saris and fabrics of Ratlami Save, that are very much famous in this Madhya Pradesh region. These are the major important geographical indications and major important key points. That is a state bird of the Madhya Pradesh is a Asian paradise flycatcher. That is a major state bird. That is a state animal is a swamp deer. The state tree is a banyan tree. The state flower is a white lily. The state bird is Asian paradise flycatcher. The state animal swamp deer. The state tree is a banyan tree. The state flower is a white lily. These are the major important facts, and also it having the world heritage sites like Buddhist monuments at Sanchi and Khajuraho group of monuments and rock shelter of Bhimbetka. All the three are very much important world heritage sites and very much famous in India and very much important for the tourist place. The Ramsar site, that is the Boj wetlands which is present in this Madhya Pradesh. The bat sanctuaries, that is a Bagdrara Wildlife Sanctuary, Bori Wildlife Sanctuary, Gandhi Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary, Gattigan Wildlife Sanctuary, Kerala Wildlife Sanctuary, Ken Garnial Wildlife Sanctuary, Kioni Wildlife Sanctuary, Narsingar Wildlife Sanctuary, Nora Dehi Wildlife Sanctuaries are present in this Madhya Pradesh. There is a national park, Bandhavgarh National Park, Madhav National Park, Kanha National Park, Panna National Park, Sanjay National Park. These are the important national parks which is present in the Madhya Pradesh. The biosphere reserves, that is a main biosphere reserve, the Pachmarhi, Panna Biosphere Reserves, Achanakmar, Amarkantak Biosphere Reserves. These are the major important biosphere reserves. The wildlife sanctuary, there is a Bagdara Wildlife Sanctuary, Sardarpur Wildlife Sanctuary, Ken Garel Wildlife Sanctuary, Idiki Wildlife Sanctuary, Gandhi Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary, Gattigan Wildlife Sanctuary, Narsingar Wildlife Sanctuary, Ratapani Wildlife Sanctuary, Kharera Wildlife Sanctuary, Kioni Wildlife Sanctuary. These are the major important wildlife sanctuary which is present in the Madhya Pradesh. Important tiger reserve, that is a Kanha, Pench, Bandhavgarh, Panna, Satpura, Sanjay Dhubri. These are the major important tiger reserves in India which is present in the Madhya Pradesh. So the Madhya Pradesh is very much rich in cultural and natural beauty that attracting the tourists and historical monuments and temples, national parks which are notable sites are the Khajuraho, that UNESCO World Heritage Sites. The Temple of Ujjain, the state is also known for the several national park including Kanha, Pandavgarh, and also there is a critical for the wildlife conservation. Thank you so much.